Hi all. This video explores a school of AI that takes a completely different approach from symbolism. Instead of logic and rules, Connectionism looks to the ultimate source of intelligence, the human brain. This philosophy argues that the foundation of AI should be a direct imitation of our biological structure.
The core idea is that the basic unit of thought is not an abstract symbol, but the neuron. Connectionism, therefore, is all about creating artificial neural networks, which are computer models that mimic the interconnected network of neurons in our brains. While this idea was first proposed in the 1940s, it was limited by technology for decades. It wasn't until a resurgence with new computing power that this approach truly took off. This is a school of thought that gave us modern machine learning and deep learning. The systems we use every day, from facial recognition to voice assistants, are built on these principles. However, the complexity of these vast networks presents a new challenge: interpretability. Because they learn and operate in such a complex way, it can be very difficult to understand exactly how they arrive at their conclusions.
A great example from current AI trends that perfectly illustrates Connectionism is the development of large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini. These systems are the direct result of the connectionist approach. They are built on massive artificial neural networks that contain billions of interconnected artificial neurons. Instead of being programmed with a rule book for grammar and facts, these models are trained on a colossal amount of text data from the internet. Through this training, they learn the statistical patterns and relationships between words, sentences, and ideas. For instance, when you ask an LLM a question, it doesn't reason with symbolic logic. Instead, it processes your query as a pattern of words and then generates a response by predicting the most statistically probable sequence of words that would follow. This is a clear manifestation of a network that has learned from data rather than being explicitly programmed with rules. The incredible human-like outputs they produce demonstrate the power of the connectionist model, while their complexity also highlights the interpretability problem. Even their creators can't always pinpoint exactly why a specific answer was generated.